In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Cash App. Step 1. Link the same bank account to both Wise and Cash App. Add your US bank account or debit card to both Wise and Cash App for transfer compatibility. Step 2. Transfer money from Wise to your linked bank account. Use Wise to send money to your linked bank account, specifying the amount and currency. Step 3. Open Cash App and deposit funds. Open Cash App app. Add your linked bank accounts will update once transfer complete with Wise. Step 4. Use cash out or send features on Cash App. For withdrawals or sending money, use the cash out or pay functionality within Cash App. Now I have some tips for transfers between Wise and Cash App. Transfers from Wise to your bank account can take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers via Cash App may have fees. Standard transfers are free but slower. Always check for notifications for transfer statuses and always make sure to double check your bank details. Now I have some precautions. Verify bank account details in both apps to avoid delays or errors like I just said. Note there's no direct integration between Wise and Cash App for instant transfer, so you have to use your bank account as an intermediary. And that's how you send money from Wise to Cash App. You have to do it with your bank. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.